This video will show you how easy it is to install your Intermatic Abra surface switch. The first step is to turn the switch off and then replace your standard bulb with an Abra Smart Bulb. To install the surface switch over an existing light switch, remove the two faceplate screws without removing the faceplate itself. There are two brackets included with the surface switch. One fits over a toggle-style switch, while the other fits over a paddle-style switch. Select the appropriate bracket and attach it to the faceplate using the included longer machine screws. Note that "Top" is embossed at the top of the bracket as a guide for proper orientation. Be sure to mount the bracket so that "Top" is at the top of the switch pointing upward. After securing the bracket, turn the switch to the on position. Align the side tabs of the switch with the slots on the bracket and carefully slide it into place, ensuring that the Intermatic logo is oriented in the correct face-up position. Then secure the cover to the surface switch assembly, starting at the top of the switch and pushing downward until the tabs at the bottom of the bracket snap into the slots in the cover. To use the surface switch as a remote control or standalone surface-mounted switch, secure the back plate to the toggle-style bracket with the provided small tapered screws. Again, align the side tabs of the switch with the slots on the bracket and carefully slide it into place, making sure it's installed in the proper orientation. Then secure the cover to the surface switch assembly, starting at the top of the switch and pushing downward until the tabs at the bottom of the bracket snap into the slots in the cover. Once the switch has been fully assembled, it can be used as a handheld remote control or mounted to a wall or other flat surface with an adhesive strip. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.